In this kata, we are tasked with replacing each letter in a string with its corresponding position in the alphabet. For example, A becomes 1, B becomes 2, and so on. We ignore non-letter characters like punctuation and spaces. The solution converts the string to lowercase and splits it into characters. Then, we filter out anything that isn't a letter. Next, we use the ASCII code of each letter to find its position in the alphabet. Finally, we join all the numbers together into a string separated by spaces. Here is the solution code. toLowerCase converts the entire string to lowercase, so we don't have to worry about letter case. .split turns the string into an array of characters. .filter char equals /az.tar filters out any non-letter characters. .map char codec 96 converts each letter to its corresponding position in the alphabet. The char code at 0 method returns the ASCII code, and subtracting 96 gives us the position in the alphabet. Join joins the resulting array of numbers into a string with each number separated by a space.